I just got back from Ikea's Black Friday sale where they basically gave us $300. So awesome. Stay tuned because I'm going to explain how we did that. So it all started with this Ikea family card and this awesome sofa that we bought about 2 weeks ago. And as we were checking out, the lady asked for my awesome orange card. I gave it to her and I said, what exactly is this good for? Anyway, because I've been using it, but I don't really know why I'm using it. And she said, oh, well, it's really great because our members get price protection. So if the price drops within the next so many days, 30 days maybe, something like that, then you can bring in your receipt and your card and they will give you the difference. So my husband was on the Ikea website last night. He was looking at what the Black Friday deals were. Lo and behold, our sofa in this color was on sale for $600. So we were gonna get $200 back. So we're like, yeah, let's go in. We gotta get the $200 back. This is awesome. And so we went in this morning expecting just to get the $200 back from the sofa, which in and of itself, totally worth the drive in. So let me just stop right here and say, if you shop at Ikea and you don't have one of these orange cards, you need to get one at your next visit. It's worth it for the price protection alone. And then the next super cool thing that happened, my husband was just walking to get a buggy and they stopped him and said, hey, would you like a chance to win a $100 gift card? And he was like, of course. So they took 20 people into this little circle and they asked them questions about Ikea. And if they got the right answer, they got a $100 gift card. But it wasn't just for one person, it was for 10 people. They gave away $1,000 right there and then. And out of 20 people, you have a 50% chance of winning. So my husband got one right. He knew how much their hot dogs cost, $1, baby. So thank you so much, Ikea. $100 gift card right here. But wait, it doesn't stop there. It gets even better. So we figured while we were at Ikea, seeing about the sofa, we needed to get one more of these chairs because I broke a screw when I was assembling the 6th one. So we have 5, we do not have 6. So I was like, okay, let me just check the scratch and dent just in case. Boom, there it was, in the scratch and dent. Wrong color slipcover, but that's okay because I actually already have the white slipcover for it. And it was only $55 for the slipcover and the chair, pretty cool. So I'm gonna see if I can actually fix the old chair because it broke, something on the leg broke. And then I'm just gonna use this slipcover on it somewhere else in the house. So $55, hello, that was pretty awesome. And then not only that, but my daughter said, Mom, I really need a new lamp for my room. This is the lamp she fell in love with when we were at Ikea the last time. And scratch and dent, there it was. It works, it's assembled, probably a floor model, 28 bucks, just like that. So our wonderful little gift card right here, it basically paid for all that stuff. Thank you so much, Ikea. That was an awesome Black Friday.